We are at Hartman Creek State Park for the weekend, where we'll be sleeping on the ground with just a tarp to cover our heads, cooking up some delicious food, doing a little bit of fishing, and taking in some scenery at these beautiful crystal clear spring-fed lakes.
Noise.
I think somebody was maybe eating some nuts. Was it a squirrel? Or was it Michelle?
Break. Whoa.
I see that. We're gonna make pizzas. Oh, good. Spread that around.
With ham.
Yeah, with ham. Yeah.
But I guess it would be better to. There's a bug on my Bible and you won't get off. Dun 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 dun. Oh, right on there.
Yeah, right on there. Okay, let's see. Okay.
Easy.
Okay, I burnt the first one because I didn't put the oil in. Hopefully the second one doesn't burn with the oil. But it's still good. See? I took 2 bites. It's good.
They're so excited.
Morning. Slept pretty well. Just woke up a couple of times. Got down to about 32. Stayed pretty warm. Just my feet were a little cold. Gotta get that figured out. There's a couple of spring-fed lakes in the area. We're gonna go check out some of the trails that run around them. Maybe catch some fish, but probably not. And then I saw it disappear. So I was like, I'm not sure if it's safe for me to be on this bridge. I'm willing to risk it.
Ooh.
I made some slight modifications to the shelter because we're supposed to get rain tonight. And with one person, the shelter probably would have been fine with rain, but with two, it might have been, I don't know, iffy. So we threw a tarp over the top. I don't really know if it's gonna work super well, or maybe it's overkill, but we're just out here goofing around, trying new things. We are cooking burgers tonight. Doing it on the stove because I think it's supposed to rain and don't really want to deal with that, trying to cook over the fire when it's trying to rain and the wood's still kind of like not great. So on the Coleman, doing burgers with bacon and sweet potato and probably barbecue sauce for Michelle. Time for the burgers. One on, two on. Parsnip. Nope. And on the top.
Thanks.
And
On there.
I know. Stay. Boom. Burgered.
Boom.
Mmm, delicious.
Squish. Delicious.
Mm-hmm. morning. Pretty good sleep again last night. We were supposed to get a lot of rain. We didn't really get much, which is fine. I think we're going to get out of here this morning. It was a good trip. Thanks for coming along. See you in the next one. Okay, just let me throw up. Alright, I'm done. Thanks.